Well, दोस्तों, this is the Galaxy S25 Edge, Samsung's slimmest flagship phone ever. And after using it for 48 hours, I am very impressed, but also kind of confused. Samsung ने कुछ choices ऐसे की हैं जो थोड़े unexpected हैं. But before I get into all of that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, you know the drill. So, straight up, this thing is just 5.8 millimeters thin and there is nothing quite like it in the market. The in-hand feel is fantastic and it's also very lightweight at just 163 grams. The titanium frame is also still here, just like on the S25 Ultra, which adds much needed toughness. और ग्लास भी नया है. Samsung कह रहा है they have used Gorilla Glass ceramic too. Apparently it's stronger, more drop resistant. Real life test pending है, लेकिन हाथ में फोन पकड़ने पर स्टडी फील तो आता है. The camera bump protrudes quite a bit, but that's normal. Usually जब फोन इतने पतले होते हैं, कैमरा मॉड्यूल्स बाहर निकल के ही आते हैं. Still, it looks very clean and minimal. और डिजाइन भी काफी सटल है. Though I do wish the colors were a bit more interesting. Samsung even managed to include IP68 certification, wireless charging, including Qi 2 support. और अगर आप चाहें तो मैग्नेटिक केस के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं और साथ ही में आपको रिवर्स वायरलेस चार्जिंग का भी सपोर्ट मिलता है. स्पेक वाइज दिस इजंट अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज फोन एट ऑल. Snapdragon 888 for Galaxy Edition, 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. पूरा flagship package है. And believe it or not, they have somehow managed to fit a vapor chamber inside the slim body. मतलब परफॉर्मेंस के मामले में भी ये फोन पीछे नहीं है. Whether it's gaming, editing or multitasking, this thing should hold up just fine. The 6.7-inch display is also great with beautiful symmetric bezels, variable refresh rates from 1 to 120 Hz and a sharp QHD plus resolution. Also, it's a flat display which honestly I prefer. लेकिन considering इसका नाम Edge है, I was kind of expecting a curved display जैसे पुराने Samsung Edge phones में होता था. थोड़ा ironic लगता है ना? नाम Edge, but display flat. You really have to experience this phone to understand how slim and sleek it feels. But obviously, there's a price to pay for this ultra slim design, and that starts with the battery. You only get a 3900 mAh battery here, which means the S25 Edge has one of Samsung's smallest batteries in a traditional known foldable phone. और charging speed भी सिर्फ 25 watt तक ही जाती है, which honestly feels quite slow in 2025. Personally, I would have skipped the wireless charging tech to make space for a bigger battery. Even lowering the resolution to Full HD Plus could have helped reduce power consumption. And yes, I know that chip optimization से भी फर्क पड़ता है, sure. But bigger battery is equal to better peace of mind. How this small battery holds up after 3 or 6 months, वो अभी कहना मुश्किल है. But if you want a longer review, especially about battery life, let us know in the comments. Besides the battery, another trade-off is the lack of telephoto camera. Instead, you get a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens and the same big 200 megapixel main sensor from the S25 Ultra. And that's beast of a sensor. Most of your zoom needs can be handled digitally. Front में भी 12 megapixel का कैमरा है. Nothing new but gets the job done. The last issue though is the price, which starts at 1,10,000 rupees. It's priced between the S25 Plus and Ultra. थोड़ा odd positioning लगता है. Samsung का logic simple है. Slim design, full power, premium price. But whether the trade-offs are worth it, अभी के लिए कहना tough है. Like I said, if you want a full review, especially battery focused, let us know. And yes, thank you for watching this video and I'll catch you in the next one.